Revolutionize your manual assembly process with our high-speed automated spring assembly and inspection machine. This advanced system produces one perfectly assembled part every 800 milliseconds. 2. Specialized bowl feeders, one for the base component and another for springs, work in perfect synchronization, with the input feeder orienting parts onto a linear conveyor. A singling mechanism then transfers components onto our high-speed rotary table where they're securely held by magnetization. As the table rotates, a servo-controlled spring head collects each spring and presses it into place with perfect accuracy. Every assembled unit then undergoes automated inspection using machine vision technology that verifies proper assembly, correct positioning, spring elongation and other critical quality parameters. Finally, the system automatically sorts parts into OK and NOC categories based on inspection results. For reliable assembly automation solutions, visit strategiautomation.com today.